सो ऐसे क्या हवा में कोई मुझे टपका के नहीं गया वो वेट. आई हैव ईटन, आई नो आई हैव ईटन लॉट एंड आई हैव ईटन फॉर 5 consecutive years. Hi everyone, I am Meenal. Welcome back to my channel and a very warm welcome to this new episode of this series which I started, which is called Dil Ki Baat Meenal Ke Saath. Now this episode, I can't say basically that it has a topic, but it is something which is in my heart, which is like really close to my heart, and I just wanted to speak it out. I just want to share this with you all. As you can see, I'm sitting very casually. This is like a very unfiltered conversation. I have no makeup on. I have not been dressed for this video. I just wanted to keep this a normal conversation जो आप अपने दोस्तों से करते हो, that kind of conversation. So basically, this is an announcement video of something new that I'm starting. So I am starting my weight loss transformation journey, whatever you want to call it. You want to call it weight loss journey or transformation journey, body transformation, XYZ. So basically I had decided to vlog this whole journey. I have decided to vlog my transformation for certain reasons. First being it will be highly motivating for me. If you're a content creator, you will relate that if you are creating videos about something that you're doing, it is a different kind of motivation that you get, that you're already doing something, plus you're making video out of it, plus you're putting it out there. So it all is a circle, and I have experienced in 10 days that there were certain days when I didn't wanted to get up, and I was like, no, I have to do a video about it. So let's get up, let's get this thing done, let's get started. I have to reach my goal. So it is interlinked. Second, I wanted to put this video not only for my motivation, but if you are somebody who wanted to start this journey. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम लोग ये सोचते हैं कि अब हम कल से शुरू करेंगे, कल से शुरू करेंगे, वो कल कभी नहीं आता, and I know that thing very well. So if you are somebody who wanted to take this journey, I'll be more than happy that we can take this journey together. We can reach our goal together. You can be a motivation for me and I can be a motivation for you. And also the main reason was to vlog it that I will remember the amount of work that I have put in to lose the weight so that I don't gain it again. Also the main reason of sharing this journey is that I wanted to make sure that if you want to lose weight, there are ways where you can eat healthy and lose weight. You don't have to starve yourself. You don't want to do that keto. You don't want to do intermittent fasting. You can eat healthy food. You can eat ghar ka khana, and you can lose weight. If you are doing it in a correct manner, you can lose weight and you don't have to do a number of things. The main reason behind me sharing this journey is how to lose weight in a correct manner, where you don't starve yourself, where you don't do any sort of diets, where you don't eat weird kind of recipes, or where you don't just eat boiled food. It's like a very healthy process which I have opted thanks to the person that we are consulting. It's a very healthy process which does not trouble your body, which does not play with your mental health, and that's the main reason that I'm going to share with you that there are right ways to lose that weight with time, quickly, and in the right way, where you can be not only fit physically but you can be fit mentally and you can be sane and a happier person altogether. So basically the weight that I'm talking about is not something जो मैंने एक महीने में या 2 महीने में gain कर लिया. This weight is of 5 years. It's been 5 years that I've been married. In 5 years I've had 2 pregnancies, I've had 2 cesareans, and now we have had a pandemic also. So I'm not blaming it on anything or the circumstances. I know it was my fault. I know I avoided my health, but I enjoyed 5 years of eating and my pregnancy and post pregnancy and pre pregnancy and everything. I ate a lot. I enjoyed my life a lot, but I will be turning 30 very soon. October 6th I'm turning 30. I have always planned that before I hit 30 I will be back to what I was. I'll be fit. So basically in my life I always plan things. मैं बहुत पहले से चीज़ें plan करके चलती हूँ and I make sure that वो वैसे ही हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 24 में मैंने सोचा था मेरी शादी होगी, मेरी शादी हुई. 25th आई वॉन्टेड माई फर्स्ट बेबी, दैट हैपेंड. आफ्टर 2 years आई वॉन्टेड माई सेकेंड बेबी, दैट हैपेंड. बिफोर 30 आई वॉन्टेड टू लूज ऑल द वेट बिकॉज आई न्यू बींग अ फूडी आई विल ईट अ लॉट. And it was bound to happen, so I was prepared for it. But before 30 मैंने सोचा था that I will lose all the fat and I'll be following a healthy lifestyle. But because of the pandemic थोड़ा सा delay हो गया वो चीज़ करने में, because obviously with 2 kids and managing the house. Fortunately I have a husband who has been such a great help. बच्चे ले लो, घर का काम ले लो, or anything, he has been there with me shoulder to shoulder. So that was there. But then coming from the place that we were, where I have no idea how to do anything in the house, I don't know how to cook, I don't know how to clean, I don't know how to manage the house, it was a bit difficult to do it, to do everything alone. So yeah, that happened, but then we managed, we survived, and we got stronger together. But now that October is nearby, we decided that we will do it. So me and Karan are taking on this transformation challenge together. We are doing this together, not only to lose weight but to be healthy, but to follow like a proper healthy path. And this is not something that we are doing for 1 month, 2 month, 3 month. We are doing this to change our lifestyle altogether so that we can be on a better path. Because with weight gain comes a lot of problems, not only physically but mentally. BP, कोलेस्ट्रॉल, शुगर, ये सब चीज़ें तो आपको इतनी जल्दी पकड़ लेती हैं कि आपको पता भी नहीं चलता है. And I don't want to be that, not only for me but for my kids. If they are watching me, I don't want them to catch up on that lifestyle which I never had before. Before coming to Pune, I came to Pune for doing my MBA. और 2 साल obviously आप बाहर रहते हो, घर से बाहर रहते हो, तो बाहर का खाना खाते हो बिकॉज आपके पास कुछ ऑप्शन नहीं होता है. बिफोर दैट आई रिमेंबर मैं बाहर का कुछ भी नहीं खाती थी. मैंने कभी कोल्ड ड्रिंक नहीं पिया है, मैं अभी भी कोल्ड ड्रिंक नहीं पीती हूँ बिकॉज आई नेवर हैड इट. आई हैव नेवर हैड कॉफ़ी और टी till my graduation. I have never had any packaged item. तो that was समथिंग जो हमारे घर में वो कंसेप्ट ही नहीं था कि पैकेज आइटम खा रहे हो या कोल्ड ड्रिंक पी रहे हो, चाय कॉफ़ी, बाहर का खाना. वी नेवर हैड दैट कंसेप्ट. वी हैड लाइक अ वेरी क्लीन एंड हेल्दी लाइफ स्टाइल. मम्मी गर्म खाना बनाएगी, गर्म रोटियाँ देंगी एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड आई वॉन्ट दैट लाइफ स्टाइल. I want to pass on that lifestyle to my kids. I don't want them to have like a unhealthy lifestyle. I want them to be habitual of something which is so healthy, so real, you know. एंड देन आई कैन रिलेट बिकॉज मैंने कभी वो चीज़ की नहीं थी, तो मुझे कभी उन चीज़ों की क्रेविंग भी नहीं हुई. आई वॉज नेवर अ पर्सन हु विल बी लाइक कि मैकडोनल्ड्स खाते हैं या डोमिनोज खाते हैं. आई वॉज नेवर लाइक दैट. ऑब्वियसली जब मैं पुणे आई फॉर माई MBA तो मैंने खाया ही. एंड देन करण एट बाहर का अ लॉट. ही लव्स बाहर का खाना. So that happened, but I don't want my kids to be there at such a young age, and that's why the main reason of me choosing this path is that they can choose a healthy lifestyle and they can be on the right track since the very beginning, so that they don't have to suffer with weight gain or with any sort of problems which happens because of weight gain or bahar ka khana or unhealthy lifestyle. So that was that. Now comes the major part. Now I want to disclose the weight. After I came from Dapoli, the way I knew that I had gained a lot of weight. I knew it was high time that I want to start losing weight for my own good, for my mental health. So when I came back from Dapoli, I was standing on the weight scale and my weight was 87 kgs. Yes, it was 87 kgs. I know it's a lot, but I'm not ashamed of it because I know I've eaten for that. So ऐसे क्या हवा में कोई मुझे टपका के नहीं या वो weight I have eaten. I know I have eaten a lot and I've eaten for 5 consecutive years to gain that weight. But yeah, so 87 kgs was my weight, and then I decided that it was high time. Karan also told me that if you want to start this journey, now is the time. I don't want, he said, and I quote, that I don't want you sitting on your birthday and saying that nothing fits me and oh, I have not lost this weight, I wanted to. So you, if you want to get there, you start working on this. So he pushed me and I'm so thankful that he did, because I feel I'm in such a good place just not physically but mentally I'm in such a good place after starting this journey. So I thought that I should start it, but before consulting somebody or before doing something, I wanted to make sure that I was ready for it. So from 87 kgs I got to 84 kgs within 20 days on my own, where I did nothing. I stopped eating bahar ka khana, I did not touch anything packed, and I did 10,000 steps every day. So these are the three things which I did for 20 days, which got me from 87 to 84 kgs. And then I thought that I was ready for it. I knew that I can do it now. Somewhere physically I am in the zone that yes, I can start it. I'm motivated to do it. Then we took on professional. Karan knew this person who's been doing this transformations, and he's like a well-educated person in his field. So we consulted him, and now we have taken like this 3 months challenge where we are told about the diet, and we are told about the exercises and workouts that we are supposed to do, and what should be the changes, when should be every 10 to 15 days हमारा diet change होता है, हमारा workout change होता है, and stuff like that. So I started my journey on 9th, and after 10 days I had seen the result, not only physically but also mentally. After this video, from the next day I'll be putting on consecutive everyday vlogs of my journey, where I'll share with you what I am eating, what are the difficulties that I'm facing, what are the workouts that I have. Now I won't be showing you the workout immediately because I want to make sure that my posture is right, and I am telling you whatever I know 100% correctly. So I'll not be telling you the detailed version of the workouts, but eventually I'll be sharing with you home workouts which you can do sitting at home. But I'll be sharing you all the diets and the process and what we are doing. Also I'll be sharing with every vlog, I'll be sharing one healthy recipe. इसके साथ साथ मैं अपने रेगुलर वीडियोस भी डालती रहूँगी. सो इट्स नॉट दैट आई एम लिविंग व्हाट आई डू. इट वुड बी लाइक अ डेली व्लॉग बट ओनली अबाउट माय वेट लॉस जर्नी. And I'm really excited to put it out there, and I'm more excited for you guys to see कि 10 days बाद क्या result आया, because I was very happy with the results which I got in 10 days, and I'm pretty sure that if you also start this journey with me, 10 days में आपको भी result मिलेगा, and then we all can be happy together. So yeah, that was the announcement, and that was the Dil Ki Baat which I wanted to share with you all. I hope that you're as excited as I am, and I hope that if you're somebody who is or wanted to start this journey, I really hope that you take this journey with me, and I hope that we can be happy and motivated and mentally and physically be in a good place. So yeah, that was all. That was the Dil Ki Baat that I wanted to share with you all, and I hope that you subscribe to this channel, and I hope from tomorrow we all start this journey, not just physically but for our mental health, and I hope you will support me through this. Yeah, I will see you from tomorrow with my new journey every single day. Till then, be you, be beautiful.